Allison. Can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to be learning how to make our own Kahoots. Woohoo! Alright, so first you're going to watch this tutorial video. Then you're going to make a 20-question quiz about yourself. All Kahoots that you make will use photos and videos or videos, but they must be school appropriate, both the videos and the photos. So to start off, you're going to go to Kahoot.com on this link below, so go ahead and click on the link. And you're going to click sign up. Sign up as a student. And you can go ahead and sign up with Google. And then choose your Google account and go ahead and sign up. It'll be your Scan Warriors Google account, first name dot last name at scanwarriors.com. Once you sign in, your page will look like this. You're going to go ahead and click New K for New Kahoot. And then you're going to select Quiz. For the title of your Kahoot, you're just going to title this your name. So for example, if my name is Mike Ogden, I would put Mike Ogden Kahoot. Okay, so it's going to be about myself. Description, you can just say this is a Kahoot to see how well everyone knows me. Okay, so you can add a little description. Visible, you're going to click visible to everyone. Language, English. Audience, you're going to put school. Don't worry about the credit resources part. You're going to choose a image. So you can upload an image from your file. So you can, if you go to Google Images, just go to Google and then go to Images. Then you can search for like whatever it is that you like, and you can download images. Let's say I wanted this as my picture. You can right click, save the image to your desktop, and then when you go to your Kahoot, you can upload that image, the one I just downloaded. You can upload it, and that will be the main picture on your Kahoot. You can also remove it and add another picture. These are beta images, by Getty, which means these are all copyright free, and we can use them, and you can use one of these pictures as well. Just hit the plus if you want to use it. Now it gives credit to the photo right there. For the video, you can go ahead and go to YouTube. Remember, school appropriate videos only. So if I want to put a basketball video as my background, so this 8th grader who makes a half-court shot at the buzzer, I can use this video, copy the link, go to your Kahoot, copy the link and go to your Kahoot, and now that video will show at the beginning when everybody's joining your game. Click OK, go. Now you can add a question, so hit the plus. Now you can start adding your questions. What is my favorite color? Okay, so you can do the timer. 20 seconds is a good amount of time. Definitely award points, and you need to put answers. So what you can do is you can add a video, you can upload an image that you saved from Google Images, or you can use these. So I'm going to put this as my image to trick people, and I'm going to put blue, red, black, yellow. So this photo can relate to the question or it cannot. Either one, you can trick people, or you can put a photo that maybe would help answer the question, whatever you like. And you have to select the correct answer by clicking one of these check marks. So let's say the correct answer, I'm going to say it's black. So everybody's going to think it's blue, but my favorite color is really black. So click next. And there you go. There's your favorite color. This button will duplicate, this one will edit, this one will delete. So I can duplicate my question. Now I can double click, or excuse me, now I can duplicate my question, and now I can click the edit button, and now I can put, what is my favorite sport? And now I have to put answers, so baseball, football, basketball, soccer. Okay, so now I'm going to replace this image, and I'm going to remove the image, and then search for images here. So let's go to sports, and on this one I'm going to put a basketball picture because that's going to relate to my answer. The other one was a trick and it did not relate, but I'm going to put basketball and hit the plus, and that now my correct answer will be basketball. So I hit this screen one for the correct answer. Next. Now to test out to see what your Kahoot will look like, you can go ahead and click save, and now play it. So game options, I like to put display game pin throughout, and then always click classic for now. And now this is what you guys are used to when I start Kahoots. For you guys, this is what it looks like now. Players can join. Now if you notice, here's the video that I selected as the background video. Now remember, you can choose any video you like as long as it's school appropriate. So if I want to actually go ahead and join this, you just go to kahoot.it, so kahoot.it, and now I can join my own game to see what my questions will look like. So 903-4104, so 903-4104, and I can put my name. So this is what you guys normally do. You're in, now it shows that mic is in, and I'm going to start. So now this is what my screen looks like when I normally do Kahoots for you. What's my favorite color? And then over here it'll show up as well. So this will be on the wall. What's my favorite color? Everybody's gonna think it's blue, but I tricked them and I know it's black, so I'm gonna select black over here. So this one, and it says it got it correct, and now I got it right. Next. So I'm the only person playing this game, obviously, so I have that many points. Now what's my favorite sport? And of course I know it's basketball, so I'm going to select the green one over here. Correct. Okay, so that's how you test out your game. When you're done with all 20 questions of your Kahoot, you're going to go to your Kahoot right here, Mike Ogden's Kahoot, and you're going to go share, and you're going to type this name, BB14Mike. That's BB14Mike, and you can share this with me. That's my name on right here, my name on Kahoot. So once you're done, make sure and share it with me. That's how you turn it in. If you have any questions, let me know.